Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up for a Goodbudget account, the perfect app to help you manage your money using the envelope system. So let's dive in. First, download Goodbudget app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and open the app. If you already have an account, then just simply log in with your credentials. But for now, we are trying to sign up. So tap Create New Household. So this section is about setting up your budget. Think of envelopes as your spending categories like groceries, rent, eating out, gas, savings. Tap Add Envelope. And here give it a name like groceries or internet. I will just go out with eating out. Then enter how much money you want to allocate for that category per month. Tap OK. Repeat this for each and tap Save. Do mention your estimated income by tapping here and save it. Just tap on Next. I will just tap on Fill in for me. Now tap on your email address and desired password. Re-enter your password. Tap on I agree to the terms and conditions and also to get future updates. Why not? Tap Finish. So as you can see, our account has been registered successfully. Now tap on Let's Go. So some users may receive a verification email. Check your inbox, click the confirmation link and return to the app or website. Once you have signed up, log in using your email and password. You can now start creating envelopes, setting your budget and tracking your expenses. Goodbudget has both free and paid plans. The free plan gives you 10 envelopes and basic features, perfect for starting out. And yes, that's it. You have successfully created your Goodbudget account and you are ready to take control of your spending. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more easy finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.